Now, the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation announced that all entry and exit gates at the Lal Killa metro station have been reopened for commuters, and the move brings relief to passengers travelling on the Virat line connecting Kashmiri Gate to Raja Nahar Singh after brief access restrictions earlier in the day. DMRC has also confirmed that routine metro operations have resumed at the station, restoring full connectivity for daily commuters, tourists and local residents. Heading to the Red Fort and surrounding Old Delhi areas, the station had been shut temporarily on Thursday following the explosion near the Red Fort complex, and all entry and exit gates were sealed and metro services were halted as security forces cordoned off the area. And in a statement which was issued earlier when that happened, was DMRC said the closure was enforced till further notice due to security reasons and pending clearance from authorities involved in the investigation. So now the Delhi Metro Railway Corporation has announced that all the entry and exit gates at the Lal Killa have now been reopened for commuters. Now joining me on the telecast is my colleague Arzu Seth. Arzu, major developments that are coming in after the deadly blast that took place outside and nearby Red Fort, which led to the death of at least 13 innocent lives and several people who were injured in that. And now the operations of the Delhi Metro near Lal Killa has been reopened for commuters. This also marks the fact that all the tension and the security concerns that were earlier have been restored. What can you share with the viewers regarding that?
Well, definitely today marks the 6th day since the blast has happened outside the Red Fort, and that was a deadly blast that took the life of the 12 people, in fact left several other injured. But now what we are seeing outside the Red Fort area, or we can particularly talk about the Chandni Chowk area, the life seems to be back on track. Would like to show you the visuals, and also all the metro gates are now open. The metro gate which is just in front of this road where the blast has happened is the metro gate number 1, which is now working. All the metro gates 1, 2, 3, 4 all are now functional, and also would like to show you the particular spot where the blast has happened. So this is the particular spot area. As you can see, the broken road also, this is the particular area where the blast has happened. This is the red light where the vehicle, the I-20 car was slowed down and also then blasted. The flame can be seen, the smoke can be seen all around, and there were other the cars that have came under that blast. There were people who were walking through this road who got injured, who got several serious injuries. Also, this is the gate number 4. As you can see, this is also very near the blast area, which is now open. As you can see, the people are coming out of this metro gate number 4. So this is also functional, and you can see the billboard just near this. As you can see, the billboard is also now burned after this blast. There is a tree just near me which also got burned. As you can see, the tree, it is all black from this side because the intensity was so high, till the depth, near the 400 meters, the impact can be seen. There was shops that were shaken. The people were not able to understand because something has happened within a second, and people were very much afraid what has happened. But now the routes have been opened, as the entire area was cordoned off for 5 days. But yesterday the routes were open, all the barricades that were put, the area that was cordoned off now is normal. All the barricades have been removed. Also, we like to have a conversation. There are some people who are standing here to understand what did they feel. क्या नाम है आपका?
बाबी जगन साहब,
हम देख रहे हैं जो गेट्स है वो खोल दिए गए हैं, रूट को खोल दिया गया है, चीजें पहले अब नॉर्मल हो गई हैं या अभी भी आप लोगों में डर है?
नहीं, हम लोग को डर, कुछ लोग अभी भी थोड़े डर रहे हैं, लेकिन हम लोग नहीं डरते। हम लोग यहीं सुभाष नगर रहते हैं।
अच्छा।
हम लोग घूमने आए हैं, कल बंद था, इसलिए कल आए थे, बंद था, चले गए, आज आए हैं घूमने। हम लोग डरते नहीं, लेकिन इस पर सरकार सख्त इस पर कदम उठाना चाहिए। इनको नियमित चेकिंग हो, जहाँ से आतंकवाद पनपते हैं, इनको हर महीने इनके घर की मदरसे की इनकी चेकिंग हो, जिससे पनपे नहीं। इन पे सरकार सख्त सख्त कदम उठाए। कब तक ऐसे होता रहेगा? हर बार ये हिंदुओं को मारते रहेगा, 10 दिन जांच होगा, फिर बंद हो जाएगा, फिर ऐसे ही होते रहेंगे। ठीक है, हर बार इनकी चेकिंग होनी चाहिए।
ओके हम देख रहे हैं कि रेड फोर्ट का एरिया है, यहीं पर ब्लास्ट हुआ था, चीज़ें नॉर्मल हो गई हैं, नॉर्मल ट्रैफिक जा रहा है। आप लोग यहीं पास में ही रहते हैं?
नहीं, हम तो महाराष्ट्र से आए, नागपुर से।
अच्छा, तो किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं? अब नॉर्मल हो गई
देख रहे हैं कि
या अभी भी आप
लोगों को तकलीफ है, इतने दूर से आते हैं घूमने फिरने के लिए, हमको समय नहीं मिलता है। देखो अब यहाँ पर ये हादसा हो गया तो लोगों को भी तकलीफ है और पर लोगों को भी परेशानी है जो आ रहे घूमने।
अब चीजें नॉर्मल लग रही हैं आप लोगों को या अभी भी डर है? मेट्रो गेट खुल गए हैं सब?
पहले से काफ़ी नॉर्मल है, पर घबराहट लोगों में अभी भी है, घबराहट है और रहेगी आगे चल के भी। और दिल्ली पुलिस को इस पे पूरे देख रेख करनी चाहिए, पब्लिक की सेफ्टी के लिए नए रूल्स निकालने चाहिए, हर व्हीकल हर गाड़ी को अच्छे से चेक करना चाहिए। मेरी दिल्ली पुलिस से विनती है अच्छी तरह दिल्ली को सेफ रखे और भारत सरकार भी इंडिया को अच्छे से सेफ रखे।
Definitely. So, as we heard, there are people who are still afraid. Some people are saying that they doesn't afraid, but yes, they want the government to take the strict action against the culprit who were involved in this deadly blast that took place on the 10th of November in the national capital. Yes, Riya.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. Meanwhile, another big update coming in. The Delhi blast case, we are learning now that the agencies are now investigating a